Good morning, viewers. You're watching News XN and this is Simran. Let's begin the bulletin with the focus on the breaking developments of this hour. Tensions had been simmering in Uttar Pradesh's Sambhal, where ever since the first court order survey of the Shahi Jama Masjid was carried out on November 19th following the claims that a Harihar temple previously stood at the mosque site. Meanwhile, the DM of Sambhal has imposed the Section 163 of the BNSS till December 10th. Under this section, the gathering of 5 or more people without prior permission is prohibited. All right, viewers, joining me live on the broadcast to share more details is my colleague Abhishek Singh. Abhishek, very good morning to you. What at this point are you tracking in the latest after the Friday prayers in Sambhal have been concluded, and especially to look at this condition that has been brewing after the imposing of the Section 163 of the BNSS? What is exactly the administration and the authorities in a joint and concentrated effort looking forward to maintain peace and the kind of law and order of Sambhal in Uttar Pradesh?
Yes, in Sambhal, when the survey, second time the survey was going on, and when this violence incident broke down, after that there is a very big responsibility of the local administrations also, and from the senior officials, police officials who are camping in Sambhal. They wanted a peaceful situation in Sambhal. Because of that, precisely Article 163 of BNS has been imposed in Sambhal, so that no political gathering and people should not come to the Sambhal from the outer parts of the UP, or the political party should not come to the Sambhal, so that people should get provoked and something big could get happened. Also, we have seen yesterday that Jumme namaz is also offered in Sambhal in between the heavy deployment of police and administration. Although it is being offered peacefully, and after that it was seen that things will get into the normal course in Sambhal. But Samajwadi Party's delegation is coming to Sambhal today. Approx 12 p.m. they will be here in Muradabad, and then they will be going to Sambhal. But the administration has not given permission to any of the political parties or any of the delegations to come to Sambhal. As precisely they are saying that situation is still sensitive in Sambhal. Because of this only, the internet services are still suspended, so that no rumor mongering or something like that should get to people, or people should get angry and do something else. Also, heavy police deployment is imposed in Sambhal. The borders are properly sealed of Sambhal. No outer people, the people who are not belonging to Sambhal should not come to Sambhal these days. The administration has also maintained their talks with the peace committee and also with the dharm gurus of the minority. They are also sending messages and having chats with people that people should not do rumors or should not react to any of the rumors. And this is the reason why this is after 5 to 6 days also the internet is still suspended, and it is being we can say that also after 2-3 days also internet situation will be the same in Sambhal, unless and until the administration will get to know that situation will be in peace and situation will be normalized like the earlier days in Sambhal.
All right, Abhishek, thank you for adding these details and giving us the latest updates as far as the developments from Uttar Pradesh's Sambhal are being tracked, where all eyes are going